Good PM, ngayon po ay Tuesday, September 23, 2025 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Tuesday, September 23, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong September 23, 2025 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for September 23, 2025 Tuesday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 23 million pesos. Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 53 million pesos. And Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 49.5 million pesos for September 23, 2025 Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Tuesday, September 23, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.